Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the hot cocoa in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the items from the Christmas update. And if you want to get this item, you can join the event or you can buy the hot cocoa from the season shop. Okay, this is the season shop and you will be able to get the hot cocoa from here. For me, I got it from the event guys, and basically this hot cocoa item can boost the damage of a single plant by 50% for 30 seconds. So we need to apply it to a plant. Wait, let me search again for the hot cocoa. And I'm going to select one of my best plant in my garden. I'm going to apply to this cocoa tang. Okay. Wait guys. Okay, it has been applied and it can boost my cocoa tang damage. And okay guys, that's how you can use the hot cocoa in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.